Well, the batteries needed a charge, and that was about 100 k's of boring straight A road equivalent with just nothing but flat river plains. And Lleida really wasn't much to write home about, so just kind of skipped all of it. And now pulling into Balaguer. Let's try and find somewhere for a coffee and a bum stretch before we head on to a town called Cubelles. Now I'm pretty sure Cubelles are what they put on the coos in Norfolk so they know where to find them. How you put any bells on those coos, boy? Where's all the coo bells gone? Thank you kindly, Bar Paris. Caffeine system is fully topped up. It's Bruce Lee my way onto the bike. Hiya! Right, you then, boy. Head on to Cubelles, shall we? 1.5 point turn, which is decidedly more elegant than anything this chap is trying. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Gracias. Phone has very helpfully switched itself off. One thing I do love about Spain is the outward image and the apparent quality of an establishment. There's never any reflection on the coffee. It's pretty much always good and it's always cheap. It was 1.40 in there, €1.40 for a café con leche, which rather hypocritically is quite a long way towards being a latte, but just seems to be much better here than in all of our options at home. It's not fancy, it's just simple and it's strong and it's cheap. And that works for me. That works just fine. Ooh. That was very well done there, old lorry driver chap. Got a truck full of coos. Maybe he's been to Cubelles. This is the wrong way, this is the wrong way. Well, that's the wrong way to Tickle Mary. I think my SatNav app, NAF Free, feels guilty for yesterday's letdown because it's actually found a more interesting looking road than I'd already planned on. Maybe a little bit out of the way compared to before, but just for the sake of an actually interesting ride, I'll happily take a longer route. I've been on so many more motorways than I had anticipated for at all. I'm hoping that tomorrow's riding in France, aside from the section from Béziers back up to Clermont-Ferrand via the Millau Viaduct, because that's my favourite motorway in the world, it will hopefully be entirely motorway free. But let's be honest, that stretch of motorway is an absolute joy to ride anyway. Amazing views, fast road, nice and sweepy and bendy. Except we'll be seeing the viaduct from underneath this time, I think. Fancy a bit of a change. And I've never seen it from underneath. So we're going to Cubelles first, and then on to Solsona. I had arranged a segue around somewhere else to get to Solsona. Apparently this road goes straight there, and it's bigly too. Like a big concrete varicose vein on the leg of the Pyrenees. Oh my god, so that was Cubelles. Hey, you got a light, boy? No, but I've been to Cubelles. Isn't that weird and mildly disconcerting how my handlebars wobble when I'm not holding on to them? Here it goes, look at that. I'm sure I like that. Maybe that's just because I've got more weight on the back than usual. I'll try later on when the fuel tank's empty, see if I can get a full-on tank slapper while my hands aren't even on the handlebars. That'll be a great idea, boom! Now we're talking, getting back into the hills again. The temperature is dropping quite swiftly. Hello, a bit keen on you. Maybe his wife is embarazada and they need to get to the hospital muy rápido. The only excuse that justifies that kind of speed, young man. Wait till I see your mother, she'll hear all about this. What? I disagree. confusing instructions very often from the sat-nav app. nav3 wanted me to turn off there to stay on the road I'm on. Not very clever. But several times it's tried to get me to go the wrong way round a roundabout. Alright, pretty sure this useless piece of shit has just changed the route again, because this isn't the road I was on a minute ago. So now I've got to pull up again, have another look, find out where the hell it's taking me. You piece of shit. I do most wholeheartedly apologise, nav3. It was my bad. It's the Spanish road system which changed, not you. So the road just went from being one to being another. Must have crossed the council line or something. Ooh, I get so angry when sun goes in, don't I? Solar powered happiness. Love one of them. 38 kilometres to Solsona, and then it gets interesting, I hope. My thumb's going square again. Sponge cam square arse. That was short-lived. It's still going. He didn't pull over because of me. Spoiling his ride. Bloody hell. It's a steep one. Surprised a little bit, I have to be honest. Tightened up and got steep at the same time. Not my finest corner. Really want to put the other cameras on. It's an interesting sound. Oh fucking hell. You have got to be fucking kidding me. That is ridiculous. That's really pissed me off, that has. Nothing for ages while I'm faffing about with cameras, and then fucking that. Oh, I can smell rain in the air as well. There it is. So I want to be taking it very, very easy. It's a big old fat thunderstorm rain. Hopefully I'm just skirting around the edge of it. It looks like it's over there, and I'm going over there. Sorry about that, folks. Bit of a false alarm. Thought that was going to be a really cool, wriggly bit of fast road, but initially spoiled by traffic and then backed up with rain. So this is Solsona, I think. I'm sure it's lovely in the sunshine. I bet moments like this are the only times when the locals look at me and think, oh, you've got a jacket, you bastard. I wish I had one of them. Big old fat chunks of rain keep coming down. I mean, I'm sure you can hear them. I'm literally on the edge of a horrendous storm. Look over there. Shit! It is pissing it down in the Pyrenees. That's the road I needed, straight towards that rain. Got to be honest with you, folks, that's a bit of a game changer. I think it's going to be heading back to the seaside, away from that shit. Plan B, run away, run away, run away. So therefore, all this shit down here, completely useless, means nothing. I'm going to be relying on you, naff free, a lot more than I care to. Bloody hell, what's going on there? Oh, I just have a knack for finding the rain. Look at that. Oh, it's just shiting it down over there. And I bet if it hasn't rained for a while, these roads are like a skid pan. Not good, not good at all. Oh, I need some shelter. Look at that, nice abandoned petrol station for me to shelter my face in. Now that really, really sucks. What to do? What to do?